Hi everybody and welcome back. In this lecture we're going to talk about how to copy a list. So there are various reasons why you might want to copy a list. You might want to make a copy because you don't want to alter the original. You might be making a backup. Whatever it is, this lecture is going to show us how to do it. So to copy a list, you create a slice that includes the entire original list. So it's a full slice of the original list. You can create this slice by omitting the first and second index. And by doing this, you are telling Python to make a slice that starts at the first item and ends with the last. So let's take a look at how that's done. First, we create our list. Names equals, open and closing square brackets, open and closing single quotes. Tony, Frank, just put that in there. If I want it to work, Mary, or Mark, Mary, and Carl. Perfect, we have our list. Now, let's create a new variable called first names, because obviously these names are first names. First names equals names, so we're going to work on the names list. And as I said, we leave out the first and second index, and we just put in a colon. Let's print first names, and let's have a look at what we get. We should get our full list. Perfect. Now we have a copy of our list which we can edit and perform manipulations on without affecting the original list. A very, very handy piece of code. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.